Peace. How's it going, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Today we're going to be taking a look at the G90 from BLU Smartphones. So if this sounds like a video that should interest you, make sure you stay locked in with me. And if you're new, make sure you join the crew and subscribe and get notified. So without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this package right here. So make sure you stay locked in. So right now it does say G90, the 6.5 inch from the BLU Smartphone Company. It has a 6.5 inch HD Infinity display, it says here, with the MediaTek Helio A25. Now I've heard of the A22, so there should be a step up from that. Then you got the Octa-Core 1.8 processor, 64-bit, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 4 of RAM. You get a 16 megapixel. You get triple cameras. The first one is a 60 megapixel with a depth sensor and flash, and 8 megapixel wide, and with 120 angle, which is cool. So we're also getting super pixel, the 96 super zoom camera inside of this phone, just like the Bold N1, which is kind of cool. We also do get a 13 megapixel selfie camera, and we also do get a fingerprint sensor, micro SD, up to 128 gigabytes, super 4000 milliamp hour battery. So that's actually pretty sick. I'm looking forward to opening this up for you guys, so make sure you guys stay locked in with me, because a lot of people who follow my channel, you know that I do reviews on BLU devices and that they are actually surprising. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys, and then in the next couple of videos I'm gonna put my SIM card in and show you the performance. But I just want to show you the unboxing experience right now. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, that was pretty cool. You can see the logos on there, which kind of looks sick. So right here you can see at the top, we're getting the same exact specs that we got on the box. Go ahead and we're gonna flip this right out of the packaging. Wow, so you get all that stuff. Let's see what we get. So, wow, we get a tempered glass. We get a case. This is a lot of stuff right here. I'm putting all this right here so you can see it. So this is a free open BLU G90 open now. What is that? A really nice cable connector right here. This has like a silver, it's actually a flat cable, and it has a silver, this is sick. So this is really sick right there. That's different, and it's type C as well. So always offer, you know, the headphones. These look like the earbuds from Apple, but wow, they did these really well this time. And then we do get a sticker right here as well, a SIM tray remover tool as well. We also do get the installation guide right here, and you're also getting a quick guide right here as well. So I think that's pretty cool. We're gonna put all that in the box right off to the side. Then right here you're gonna get a case, which looks just like my case for the Vivo X6 that I just unboxed a couple of months ago. So this has the same exact texture. Really nice case right there. We're gonna put that off to the side. You can see the carbon fiber material, and Mox carbon fiber material. We got your power brick right here, which is good to see. It's 5 volts as well for quick charge. And finally, we're gonna take a look at the phone, but you do get this screen glass protector, which is like a tempered glass. So finally, we have the phone right here, guys. So let's put all of this stuff off to the side. Oh wow, they put the phone on top of this velvet suede material here. Put that off to the side. We do have a sticker on the front. I'm gonna hit the power button for you. They do have a different placement time this time for buttons. Now we have a SIM tray slot for removing and you're expanding your storage, but there's no buttons on this whole side, which is the left side. So if you're a lefty, this is perfect, because just like me, I'm a lefty. You could get your power button right here and your volume rockers all in the same side. And there's no texture on the power button or volume rockers, but that's okay. We're gonna hit the power button right now to turn on the device. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull off that top plastic thing on there. So now let's take a look at the device a little bit more. It has a nice body overall. You can see a large 6.5 inch display. On the back, you're getting this psychedelic color on the back of it. It kind of reminds me of the Bold N1. It's got that really nice psychedelic holographic pattern on the back of it, which looks really, really, really good. Triple cameras as well, fingerprint sensor. Let's hit start right here. It says if you have a mobile SIM card, you can connect it. We're gonna do that in the next video, so I could just walk you through the setup process and then continue on with the next video. But right here you can say it says continue, and we'll just skip all of this so I could just show you what the home screen interface on this device looks like. This is really quick to set up. That's what I love about Androids. They're not gonna give you a half hour of time to set up, so you just want to. So I'm gonna enter my 4 digits right here one more time and confirm it. Then you can start by entering your fingerprint. So it says right here, tap. Place different parts of your fingerprint on the phone. So I'm just doing that ever so slightly. All right, so now I'm gonna put my right hand on there as well, just so we have both hands and everything like that. Okay, so you could do a quick tap and that gets you through really, really quickly, and then just hit next. All right, so the overall feel of the phone is nice. It has a nice, decent weight to it. It's not too heavy. Are you sure you want to? Yes, we're gonna miss those. Miss me on this. Miss me. Okay, so it just says you can hear that default sound that would happen when you're actually setting it up. But look at that psychedelic holographic rainbow pattern on the back of there. It looks like the back of a CD, like a compact. Or remember the CDs back in the day in the early 2000s that we always used to use? It kind of reminds me of the back of the CD. Look at the phone right here. You can see the main interface of it right here. It has a 6.5 inch display. It's gonna be basically HD, meaning that it's not gonna be 1080. It's just 720. So it's HD plus, but you're still getting that 720 display panel. Now the crazy part about this phone is that this is one of BLU's phones that run on Android 10. So if I go to if I go to about device, it's gonna actually be on February 5th and Android 10 on here. So that's kind of sick. That's honestly really dope. Really, really good to see that. So I'm kind of excited to test this a little bit, but I just want to walk you through some of the features like always. So if you go into settings, you'll be able to see that we have digital well-being, accounts, smart touch for gestures. You could get gesture mode. You got the smart touch button, which offers a pill-like feature. You can give yourself different tap options here for smart touch. Under security, you're gonna have it looks like we get your fingerprint option. The fingerprint is right here. Here is the Face ID. So look at this, guys. You got your facial lock unlock right here. It's called Face ID. It says enter a pin. We're gonna hit next. Mental lighting for screen. If it's dark, you can have that come on. You got your navigation modes here. And you have your wallpapers as well. So let's go into wallpapers, and wallpapers are right here. So another thing to note is not only do you get wallpapers, you're gonna get the dark theme mode. So let me show you where you get the dark theme mode. You just pop that on, and there you see you have your system-wide dark mode. You can also mess around with the colors, vivid, bright, cool, or customize it to your liking. But overall, this is just the unboxing, guys. I'm gonna pop my SIM card on this phone and do some further testing with you guys on the next video. But I thank you for staying locked in with me. This is the G90 from BLU devices. Be bold like us is their slogan. $130 or less, and you're getting all of this. So if you found this video helpful in any way possible, let me know down below in the comment section down below. But if you found it helpful, hit the bell icon to show your support and appreciation as well. Subscribe and get notified. And if you're new, join the crew. But I'll check you guys out on the next video. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you stay locked in for more videos just like this. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace.